Welcome back to Trojan. All right, you're all set up to trade. Now comes the question, what's your next move? If you're chasing the newest tokens, head straight into the trenches. You'll see 3 columns here. First, new tokens. That one speaks for itself. Early eyes on every fresh launch. Second, about to migrate. These tokens are just about to move from the bonding curve into a liquidity pool. Third, migrated. Those already made the jump and are trading live. The trenches are fast-paced. They're a bit crowded, so take your time, play with the advanced filters on each column, and dial in a strategy. Then, go out and own the field. Prefer a different type of hunt? Maybe you're looking for a high-volume runner. Head over to the Explorer page. You'll find 5 top-level categories here. Hot. These are tokens trending in real time, analyzed by Trojan's own algorithm. New tokens. Simple, self-explanatory. Today's top gainers, the ones on the rise. Tops on Solana, ranked by market cap, volume, or transactions. And finally, live. Tokens with active live streams. Sort, filter, experiment. Build your rhythm and refine your edge. Pro tip, if you find something you like, click the star on its token card. That adds it straight to your watch list, ready for when you come back. So, you found a token you like. Let's take a deeper dive. Open the trade panel. Scroll down to Security Audit. Here you'll see key insights, safety checks, and potential red flags. Keep going and you'll find holder scan and performance data below. That's where you learn who you're really trading against. In the world of do-your-own research, speed and information are everything, and Trojan gives you both. I'll see you in the trenches.